Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your WhatsApp profile picture on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up WhatsApp and tap Settings in the bottom right corner. In Settings, tap your name at the top. Tap Edit below your current profile picture. Then tap Edit again in the top right. Here you can choose to make a profile picture from an avatar if you have one, take a live photo, or choose a photo from your gallery. If you use the avatar option, you can choose an image and then change the background. If you choose an image from your gallery, then you can zoom in and out of the image and move it around here. Tap Choose once you are happy with your image. Your WhatsApp profile picture has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.